Our Range Rover without the chromes on. We've got chrome mirrors and chrome door handles going on in a minute. These come in packs we buy online. I bought mine from Amazon. As you can see, they're literally chrome pieces with 3M tape underneath, and they literally just stick them on. Very, very easy. Big impact too, really nice. As you can see, they just literally stick on once you take the tape off. Just goes on straight like that, sticks over the top, and they do stay. They're really strong, so really happy with them. So, Project Range Rover with the chrome mirrors and chrome door handles look a lot better. Really happy.